everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am opening my second Babebox. It's a beauty box subscription that you can choose to receive monthly. I got my first box for free, just paid shipping on it, and then they send you the second box, which is part of like the deal where you have to pay for that month. I debated whether or not I was going to continue this, and I decided against it because they're cheaper subscription boxes than Babebox. But at the same time, I thought, well, I'm already roped into this one, so I'll still record it, show you guys, and you guys let me know if you want to see it again in the future. Maybe I'll do it again. But right now, let's just get into this box. So you open it up, which I don't even remember how much it is monthly. Maybe it'll tell me on the card. No, that's just the information thing. Anyways, that's kind of what it looks like when you open it up on the inside. It says, happiness is the best makeup. All of the items included with your Babebox are 100% cruelty-free. And then it shows you the little list of everything that's on there. So I'll keep that right there for us. A little bit of tissue paper, which I will just rip so you get to keep everything in there. They put this cool little paper stuff in there to add kind of more of a design. I feel like it's a little wasteful, but they're not the only subscription service I've seen do it. So they just kind of piled everything in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and start pulling stuff out. So first we have the St. Luke's Brow Gel. This brow gel glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them the perfect shape. Sorry, couldn't see me there for a minute. The short brow brush will give you precise placement of your brows, and the lightweight gel formula leaves no residue when dry. Retail value, $16. I don't normally pay that much for some of my makeup stuff. I'm guilty of trying to be cheap. I feel like there's something else. No, it's just part of the box. So, but that's kind of what the brow gel looks like when you pull it out. It's like a little brow brush. And then you put it on. And it's cold. Every brow gel I've ever tried has been cold. I think brow gel is really meant just to kind of give your brows like a more defined shape. I don't know if any of them are really a certain color. I might have to do more research on that. I just don't really overly use brow gel. So that'll be very interesting to look into because I think I have one more sitting around in my makeup that I have not really overly used. It keeps rolling. Okay, I'll put that in the cup holder. So the next thing is the Cella eyeliner pen. This liquid eyeliner pen creates a clean line in one steady, simple sweep. The tapered precision brush paints on an opaque true color from the thin to thick. I don't know what that word was. Once the long-wearing formula sets, your look is locked in, ready to take on the day. Come in shades of purple or brown. The retail value for this is $21. That's a little much for eyeliner, guys. I mean, I like the fact that in these subscription boxes, you do get high-quality makeup. I do feel like sometimes you get less for your money. This is already wrapped up. It's an eyeliner pen in brown. I'm kind of disappointed by that. I don't like brown eyeliner as much. I prefer the black. I don't know. Brown would probably make me look not as harsh, but at the same time, I don't feel like brown is really seen on me, so this will be interesting to try. The next thing is the Basic Beauty Lip Kit. Every great lip gloss needs a matching lip liner to go with. This lip line kit includes a gloss and liner in the gorgeous shade of Pinot Grigio. The non-sticky moisturizing gloss formula is all sorts of amazing, and the gel liner provides you with the perfect full pouch. Retail value is $25, which is nice. So it comes with, that's the lip gloss, which is really kind of shiny and cute. And then you got this lip liner. So, I don't know, let's try it. Oh, do they wrap everything? No, they don't. Okay, so it's just kind of supposed to line your lips. I don't have great lighting. I was hoping maybe you would see it if I put it on. I'm not great with lip liner, guys. I'm so sorry. I have terrible lighting, and I'm not good with it. I don't really see anything with it at this second. It doesn't mean that it's not doing anything. I just feel like I stabbed myself in the mouth and have terrible lighting at the second. And then this lip gloss. Kind of smells like that cotton candy scent in one I had. Unless I'm just making that up in my head, but to me, it almost smells like candy. I think that will be just a beautiful shade of pink to try. It's really beautiful. That is awesome. So the next thing on this list is the Glow On 5 Beauty Keep It Handy Cream, which is this. How do you open it? They like sealed it from you. There's plastic all around this. They do a really good job of packaging all their stuff. That is the one thing I have noticed with Babebox, is it almost seems like it takes forever to get into your stuff. So I mean, you definitely, with the couple extra dollars that they make you pay for things, you definitely are getting your money's worth. And the products are definitely high quality. I do enjoy what I get in their boxes, but like I said, this is only my second Babebox, and I don't know, I don't like it enough to keep continuing. So yeah, this is their Keep It Handy Cream. That's kind of what it looks like. The letters are like in white, so there's no reading it. Nourish patch dry hands with soothing hydration, cooling to the touch and rich in texture. The comforting chamomile infused cream is enriched with antioxidant and vitamin A to deeply moisturize and help de-stress. This retails for $20. That is quite a bit. So I'll just set that here. And then the last thing is the Real Chemistry Rescue Oil and Body Peel, which looks like this. When I first looked at it, I almost thought it was one of those toddler pouch yogurt things, honestly, because that's what it looks like. The Rescue Oil is rich with antioxidants to give you a supple, hydrated, radiant skin. It's full of camellia oil that's been harvested from the finest quality seeds in the Godo Islands. Evenings before sleep, apply evenly across face and neck after cleansing. The body exfoliant uses hydrating ingredients and invigorating fragrances to leave skin soft, refreshed, and luminous. Massage gently over the skin for a few minutes in a circular motion using a little water to activate. This retails for $19. It's pretty cool. I think some of this would be cool to try out. If I don't try them, I guess I could always make myself like a Poshmark and start selling stuff. I'm sure it would go eventually, but I would also have to make sure it's safe and put up from my children, because they like to get their hands on stuff. But yeah, so overall, I think this Babebox was good. I probably would have only used 3 of the products they send in it, but everything they send in here is literally full-size products. They're full-priced. You're not getting any like sample things like I do in my Ipsy $12 bags. So I mean, it's a really, really good value. I do love the stuff. But I don't know. You guys tell me what you guys thought of this Babebox or Babebox in general if you've tried it. I love hearing from you guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe. I'd love to have you here. Until next time, guys. Bye.